If you're going too fast here, you can turn over. It's quite tight that, but I think I can go past this guy. Okay, we're close to that one at the back as well. What? One pallet? Oh no! The fuel station is close. It's that trailer close to that. Yeah. Always remember to fuel up when you're going on back roads because stuff like this can happen. Morning guys, today we got loads going on. You can see the unit there, it's already started on and just doing like my little check. Look how many lights, how nice do they look. And the most important thing is they're working. So somebody took my trailer to do my last delivery because I didn't have enough time to do it. But they left me a trailer, so I'm gonna have to get underneath of it. So I'm just doing my little checks in my unit before I get underneath of the trailer. I already checked the trailer. So I know that I need to report that light is not working later. But that one is alright, but that one is checking though. That one is working. And the rear lights and all that, making sure everything is working fine. Wow, that's bright, I'm not gonna say. It's gonna be a crazy one. We're on our way to the Dafford Bridge now. It's a services near there, I can't remember the name of it. But we're gonna go there and we're gonna pick that trailer up and then we're gonna deliver. Yeah, we're gonna carry on from there. Stay with us because it's gonna be an interesting one today. Hey, if you haven't yet, just like, subscribe and all that stuff. Thank you for everything, thank you for the support guys, let's go. Thank you for my subscribers suggesting to use that light because I always forget it. So we're gonna stop there, not gonna get underneath of it straight away because I wanna put my unit down. Put this up, all right. Oh, that was beautiful, the sound of that, like flip, flip. 2 pulls. All right, I'm gonna get on with the rest of the stuff because I got a long day ahead and I won't be able to be recording. I'm just gonna do the checks, gonna do all my stuff, plug my trailer, lift my legs now, just double checking my trailer is all right. And I will see you soon enough, guys. Yes, we're gonna go on the A13 and get this trailer and get out of there as soon as we can, and then trying to get everything done. Just the amount of traffic that goes through this bridge as well. Now this is one of the most busy roundabouts in the UK, I believe. Don't take me for that, but I believe this is one of the busiest. Maybe no, maybe I'm just thinking that, but I think it is one of the busiest roundabouts in the UK, to be honest. All right, the services is that way. Need to be on this lane, and we come off on this one. Yeah, yes, we come off on this one. This is what I mean before when I say it's a crazy roundabout to go around. It's not a roundabout, it's just a road, but it goes around and around and around and around. If you're going too fast here, you can turn over. Just please, when you go to the services near the Dafford Bridge, just take it slow around there because look how long it takes, and it's sharper, it gets sharper and sharper and sharper. It's really long. If you're loading, you're coming too fast, you can turn over. So be careful guys, we don't want any accidents to happen any of you, or anything happen to any of you, or you killing somebody on the worst case scenario, which won't happen. All right, where is this trailer now? Now I'm thinking, where will you park just to drop a trailer? If you're dropping a trailer, you will park somewhere where people are far away from you, I believe. That is what I would do, just far away. It's all right, mate, just take your time. Okay, that's my trailer there. Okay, let me go and confirm there is a trailer that I need to collect. Okay, 205. Yeah, that's the trailer that we need to collect now, so we're doing that right now. All right, I need to park this trailer somewhere where I can get out as well. Yeah, there's plenty of room for me, like to turn around and stuff. Plan this well. It's quite tight that, but I think I can go past this guy. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, plenty of room there. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, straight there. Just trying to keep away from the other truck on the other side, but a little bit close to that line. Okay, we're close to that one at the back as well. Don't want to be hitting it or anything, so because it's only the trailer, I'll be able just to put the trailer on the lane and the line at the front. So that should do the whole. That is what I call parking the trailer quick. at least he's gonna be able to see it straight away when he comes over. So that's the main thing now. So let's go and do this. And we're gonna do it again. Oh, that is the best feeling in the world. All right, I already got my gloves. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just gonna go and get my plate. Get these legs down too. Some tight legs. Woo! A little bit. For my hamstrings in the morning. All right. Take all these lines down now. That's it. Put the lines there for the time being. While I go and do the rest of the stuff and get on the other trailer. Yeah, I get a pin and get a big one. And that is the last result. The plates are there. I'm gonna put my gloves here for the time and then get out of the trailer. Okay, that suspension is down now, so we'll be able to pull out and get to the next one. Level it up. Let's go. Okay, just make sure nobody's coming around. I'm gonna back up into this. All right, I'm just gonna raise the unit now before I get underneath it completely, so the kingpin can go into where he needs to be. So straight away. Oh, that was a little bit higher than I was expecting. Two pulls straight away, making sure that that pin is not coming out. One of the things I can tell you for sure is that changing jobs wasn't a bad idea. I always was scared to go somewhere else because a lot of people say like, you better with the devil you know than with the devil that you don't know. But that is a lie. So it's always out there things better that you can find out. So if you want to quit your job, you want to go and do something else, something different, just go and do it. Do not get stranded. Do not get thinking, oh, I'm not going to find anything better. Go out there, find something. It's always something. It's an advice from me. But always make sure you live in good terms. Not leave in bad terms anytime. Now, because I don't know this trailer, I need to go and have a look, make sure it's like fuel and stuff, the tires are all right, making sure that all the bolts are all right, normal stuff, but just making sure that everything is all right. And then I'm gonna go and test the lights as well. After the lights, that'll be it. Look, like stuff like this could slip out. See what I mean? That is why you do your checks, just because of stuff like that. Anything silly like that, that could come off and then hit the car behind you if it's too close. Or if it comes out, because it slides out quite far away, and you take a turn quite tight, you can hit the pedestrian as well, and must kill it. Just making sure the lights are working as well. So big thumbs up, side lights as well. I think they call illuminators or something like that. I can't remember from the top of my head now. But making sure all of them worked as well. No, we're not ready to go. Not quite yet. I need to check the load as well. Making sure that it's got something in it. What? One pallet? Oh, that for one pallet? I'm gonna ring the office making sure this is right. This is one of the reasons why you check your load as well. Hello pal, it's Tony. Just been sent to get a trailer from the services near the Derby Bridge. I'm just ringing up to confirm the trailer is only one pallet. Okay, I just wanted to confirm that. Yeah, that was actually the right one, so let's go and strap that down. All right, the confirmation says that yes, it's meant to be only one pallet, so let's go and strap this down. All right, door. Ladders. You grab your hand in here. Da-da-da-da. And this is the paperwork where I need to take it as well. Yeah. That is half secure. I need to put one of the ratchets as well. Right. Here we go, the ratchets. So let's see. Can't even do it too tight because that's gonna break it, but at least I know that this is not gonna move anywhere now. That's good, that should be secure there. So it's a lot going on today. I like it, Making sure secure. Secure, yes, I like it. It's loads going on today. All right, this is Texaco one. I got all the delivery notes, I got everything, so I'm gonna go
deliver this. Jobs they're giving me today, I like these long ones, like London to Albemarle, stuff like that. Shut up. I like these long ones. These guys always interrupting me. Okay, it's time to go then. Just gonna park behind this guy here. I'm gonna go and get a coffee and come back straight away. Now I got my coffee, now I got energy. Getting a coffee in the morning is one of the primary things, or one of the first things I want to do. Get a coffee means that I will have energy through the whole day. One coffee gives me the energy to drive for at least 10 hours straight non-stop. If we could do that, obviously, but we can't do that because we need a 45 in between. But that is what it does to me. That is a little bit different. Probably just broke down and just left the car there and just went on, just thinking like, oh, somebody's gonna come and pick it up or just scrap it. Okay, the test could start wearing now. Hold on. Yes, we're good to go. Let me see. Recycling, main site and deliveries. So we're going this way. So the sign I was right. It's this way. Don't tell me you broke down, mate. Please, 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 please. Don't tell me you did break down. All right, we managed to get into the thing that I need to put my wrenching and all that. So I do that right now. That did take a while, that guy. Guess what? Hold on. The barrier has just left up. All right, I managed to find somewhere where to park around there. So we're gonna park here and then go quickly to the office. Just stay out of the way from everyone. Don't want to be making people happy, to be honest. First time in this depot as well. Don't want to be doing that. Yes, already done. Gonna get on my way. Gonna get out of here, collect the next one. But before that, I need to have a look on the internet. Otherwise, we can't get it wrong. Trusting the sign up, 100%. We know it's a really bad idea. Being in situations before where we don't want to be anymore. So let's have a look at where we're going first. All right, I just driving away and then I go on the back road to go to Poole. And I'm thinking like, did I forget something today? I did forget something. Then yes, I go less than 3/4 and 1/4 or whatever you call that. I haven't got any fuel left. Now I am panicking a bit. I'm not panicking because SatNav is telling me there is a petrol station there, which is BP, and I got a BP car. So the best thing for me to do right now is get there and then just fuel up right now, like ASAP. Otherwise we won't be able to get anywhere. Yeah, we're good to go. Oh no. Oh no. Where the fuel station is closed. Oh, what a dilemma. It's just around the corner there. I should be all right. I'm probably not even gonna get there. Yes. I think they got trucks there. Yes, I think they got a, oh yes. Oh, so we got the cab on this side. So the best thing to do is do a big spin around and then just get on that one there. So let's see how we do this. It's gonna be a tight one. Let me let this guy get out so I will have a little bit more room to play with. Yeah, mate, go on. If you do it quicker, mate, I can get out of here quicker. And then we both can get somewhere. We've got plenty of space there. Oh, go on, pal. It's only been driving 2 days. It's my fault anyway. Let me see how I do this. Yeah. Just need to make sure like I don't mount anything. What I'm a little bit worried about is the roof. Is that trailer close to that? Yeah. Yes. Oh my god, let's go and fuel up now. Woo! Sometimes when situations like this happen, I think like, what was I thinking? Always remember to fuel up when you're going on back roads because stuff like this can happen. Can't get out of it like I just did. I think I had about 250 miles left. That would have been enough to get to a different petrol station. But always remember to fill your fuel cap before you get in back roads and stuff like that. Otherwise you can be in a little situation. We don't want any mess ups. So guys, always learn from my mistakes. I show you how it is. That's the way I want to roll this channel. So
Cheers. Look how dodges to get in there. Low, and you need to make the turn on this side, so you need to come around there and then just like spin it around and to get to round this corner. Look at the tire marks there. Not only mine, like absolutely everyone, to get in that little bit there. It's difficult, this thing sometimes. Love the job, but the difficulties is what makes this job so amazing. Love every bit of it.